All right, good morning, YouTube. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. I've been unemployed for 2 weeks now, and I've been doing a lot of research pertaining to hot shot trucking, which means moving product um, anywhere from coast to coast over city, what they call them, oh my God, state lines, and getting paid decent money without needing a CDL. That's number one. You do not need CDL. You do need plenty of documents to certify you through the state. The government wants all that paperwork and all that money. So that's number one. Number two, it's a quick way, not quick, but a fairly easy way to make a decent living instead of making a typical ass busting 20,000 a year, which roughly is like 12, 13 bucks an hour. You know, that's out the door. I'm too old for that shit. It's time for me to make some decent money and start a comfortable life, especially for my wife who deserves it. So let me do some more research and I'll get back with you. Peace, YouTube. Love you.